In highly seismic areas, the places where there are more chances of earthquakes, the use of mud or timber is better. Now, why houses made up of mud and timber are better? Because they are lightweight, and if the house will fall down, then the people who are inside the house, they will not be killed. If the house is having wood in it, then the wooden structure will hold the roof and the person who is staying inside will not die. Keep roofs as light as possible. In case the structure falls, the damage will not be heavy and the people inside will not be affected. It is better if the cupboards and shelves are fixed. If you have cupboards and shelves, they should be fixed on the wall. Now, in our country, maybe the areas where you are living, you have not seen these things, but places where there are earthquakes frequently, like in Japan, the houses are not made of cement and stone, they are made up of wood. So reason is this only, and that the wooden structures will fall down and the wood will be light, the people inside will not be killed. Their cupboards and shelves are fixed to the wall so that they do not fall. Be careful where you hang wall clocks, photo frames, water geysers, so that in the event they do not fall on the people. So if you are having a wall clock or photo frames, they should not be situated or hanging above your head, so that in case of an earthquake, when they fall, they should not hurt you. Since some buildings may catch fire due to an earthquake, it is necessary that all buildings should have firefighting equipment. These are all under disaster management, that is, preparing yourself for disaster. So, firefighting equipments are mostly installed in big malls and cinema halls and shops and institutions where more people collect. The Central Building Research Institute Roorkee has developed know-how to make quake-proof houses. So quake-proof houses are nothing, they are those houses which are not affected by earthquake, and these houses are mostly having the architectural